Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is HaloStation screen expansion kit. It's a really amazing product I ordered. I'm purchasing this accessories from haloblock.com. This is the platform. This platform are selling multiple Tesla accessories. You can visit here and purchase which accessories you want. Like I'm purchasing this specially on HaloStation for Tesla Model 3. I purchased entire kit. Entire kit price is 1912 Danish krona. This product is available from Amazon as well. So which country you are living, accordingly you should purchase. I'm living here Copenhagen, Denmark, and they are providing me this accessories. Link is available on video description. Now we can come back here, the accessories. HaloStation screen organizer. This is the screen organizer. That one is HaloStation ball mountain. It's really nice. The magnetic charger, and this one HaloBlock dashboard storage tray, and here the C2C cable they also providing. That one is HaloBlock cable organizer clips, and here iWatch charging pin, and this one is a HaloStation smart watch mount. This one is HaloStation camera mount, so you can fix here if you have GoPro. So that one is really amazing, especially for GoPro. And now box is empty. This is the main product of HaloStation. After fix everything, our Tesla screen look like this. So we can see one by one. I open and then fix. This is the main HaloStation. Inside the box, here is the magic booklet as well they are providing, so we can very easily fix. Look at this here. So you can fix like this, and everything is a magnet. It's really nice. And after that you can clip here, so we can fix here as a demonstration point of view. And after that the same box we can fix on the car as well. Next part I will fix here, and this is the GoPro stand, you can call it. Inside the box, each box they are providing the very proper way, the magic booklet as well, even the certification related information. So here they're providing very nicely. If you have DSLR, so you can very easily fix from here, or GoPro can very easily fix. So how you fix like this, everything you can circulate here. After that it's amazing quality. So I can fix your GoPro as well. So I personally use. Now next one we can fix here in the iWatch as well. So look at this, it's very easy. You can fix very easy and compact like this. And after that they are providing this Apple Watch cable as well. This is a C port. First of all you can remove like this, fix properly like this. You can use the clips for the organize, and you can fix like this, like this, and okay, likewise. Now two is done. Now this one is a magnetic charger. So we can open this one. Inside the box, this is amazing. Here is also charging port is available, C type. So we have they already provided. We open this one, this clip. So look at this, it's very easy and really nice. After that decide where you want attach your mobile phone. Likewise this, here you should just simply press and then put it like this. Here is the one of the best and outstanding features. You just simply press here your mobile like this. So you should use this portion here. This one is there. You can change the location as per your convenience. Last, this is the dashboard storage. So I just simply open this one, and inside the dashboard storage this is the logo as well. And here look at this, the dashboard storage like this. Next and last one, this one is a screen organizer. So I just simply it's amazing. You can fix and the down. This is our main product. We can go outside in my Tesla car and we can fix one by one. Now we can start the process one by one. So first of all, you should remove this one like this. Then after, fix proper like this, and after that you fix the back down portion.
कितना सिंपल है.
This one is fixed. Now this accessories. So one of the important point, first of all, you should fix this body properly, this portion and down portion. This is the storage container. You can very easily put it like this, and this one is fixed. Now this is the GoPro mount. So look at this here. Next accessories, just simply the GoPro mount, very easily fix here like this. Here is the cable. You can connect directly on GoPro as well. The power I apply here. The organizer clip we have already, so you can use this one. And the next one is a mount specially for your iPhone or mobile phone, and this one you should press here and change the location as well. So apart from that, you decide you should fix here as well, change the location likewise, or if you don't like here, so you should remove, you should press and then very easily remove again here like this. Sound is coming. After that, this is the perfect location. Here also you can put it your mobile phone or landscape if you use landscape in your mobile phone. So here is the mobile. Look at this here. One of the important point, the magnetic is very strong. The power cable they are providing, you should use this power cable for this adapter as well. Connect and attach your mobile phone and charging is starting, same as it is for GoPro as well. So you can increase the cable and attach the GoPro as well. Next accessories, as it is, I fix here in the storage for here very easily like this. You can change the location as well, and here the bottom you can put it your sunglasses like this, or you can use this space in your sunglasses or mobile phone during the driving. That is a very nice quality. And second thing, here in the Apple Watch I fix here for specially, here is the cable you should charge. You can put it here and charge your Apple Watch as well here. So this is the simple way to fix the HaloStation coming from HaloBlock platform. Hope you like this installation process. So this is the unboxing and installation video. HaloStation come from HaloBlock. Link is available on video description. If you have any question, you can put it on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.